वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
हेलो पेरेंट, नमस्कार। आज हम लॉन्च कर रहे हैं हमारा नया यूट्यूब चैनल अनुदीप योर स्टडी बडी। वैसे तो यूट्यूब पे बहुत सारे चैनल है, लेकिन हमारा चैनल जरा अलग है। हमारे चैनल पे हम बच्चों के लिए तो कंटेंट लाए ही है, साथ में पेरेंट्स के लिए भी हम बहुत सारी उपयोगी चीजें लाए हैं, जिससे वे अपने बच्चों को पढ़ाने के लिए, उनका बिहेवियर समझने के लिए काम में ले सकते हैं। और हाँ, हमारे चैनल पे हम दोनों भाषाओं का प्रयोग करेंगे, हिंदी और अंग्रेजी।
हमारे चैनल के द्वारा हम आपको एकेडमिक के लिए प्रिपेयर करेंगे, बच्चों को प्रिपेयर करेंगे और कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम के लिए भी हेल्प करेंगे। हमारी टीम में प्रोफेशनल है जो कि डॉक्टरेट है, बीएड है, टीचिंग प्रोफेशनल्स है और हमारा कंबाइंड टीचिंग एक्सपीरियंस 30+ ईयर से भी ज़्यादा है।
Anudeep is already into providing worksheets from grade 1 onwards. We cover English grammar, Hindi grammar, maths. पर जब हम ये worksheets बना रहे थे तो बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स से क्वेरीज आ रही थी, रिक्वेस्ट आ रही थी कि आप फिजिकल क्लासेस लो, ऑफलाइन क्लासेस लो, जो हमें ड्यू टू अदर कमिटमेंट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. So we forethought of that. We will launch a channel where we will solve your little doubts, your queries, and that will be fun, I think.
सो अभी तक आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि अनुदीप योर स्टडी बडी इज ई प्लेटफॉर्म जिसके द्वारा हम हमारा नॉलेज और एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करने वाले हैं. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ कनेक्शन फ्रॉम अ पेरेंट टू अ पेरेंट एंड अ टीचर टू अ टीचर. सो लेट्स गो अहेड एंड मीट आवर टीम नाउ.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम डॉक्टर प्रतीक्षा है. मैंने पीएचडी की है स्टैटिस्टिक्स में और हायर डिप्लोमा इन सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग फ्रॉम यूके यूनिवर्सिटी आई हैव डन. I have also done my bachelor's in computer science. I love teaching and I have a 20+ years of teaching experience in various colleges. I have taught different subjects like mathematics, statistics and computer science at different levels, graduate and postgraduate. I have also have 8+ years of teaching experience in MBA college, teaching executive MBA students as well as full-time students. With a passion of teaching, I love to teach the kids of various age groups. Over 10+ years, I am conducting classes, mathematics classes for engineering students. I also teach international students to prepare for SAT, that is SAT exam. I help them to learn mathematics and clear their concepts. I also conduct Sanskar Varga for the kids of the age group 8 to 13 years. So teaching is really a wonderful thing that I consider, and I'll be happy to share my experiences and different tricks to learn. I will make your maths easy and will meet you soon. Thank you. Namaste.
Namaste, मैं दीपाली भोसले. I hold a degree of Masters of Computer Application (MCA). I have worked with top IT companies around 7 years. Then after that, I have left my job due to personal commitments. But at the same time, I started working as a visiting IT faculties in various colleges in Mumbai. During that time, I wrote few books of computer science for FY and SY. So I am a published author too. I am also a mother of 2 kids. My elder one is 17 years old. Younger one is 10 years old. So during this training them, teaching them, I have developed the passion for finding out different tricks and making subject in a simple way, teaching subjects in a simple way so that a kid can understand it better. I am an executive partner of Anudeep. We create worksheets and we do enjoy sharing our knowledge, our experience with others, and that's how we are here. So see you soon. Thank you.
Namaste. Anushka here. I had done my graduation in microbiology, post-graduation in chemistry. I had also done Bachelor of Education BA with a specialization in guidance and counseling. I'd work in pharma industries, but teaching always fascinated me. So started with the worksheets. I'm also executive partner at Anudeep. So we create worksheets. You can see them at the Anudeep site, and I'm here to teach you something, share my knowledge, and we'll definitely meet soon. Namaste.
हेलो, नमस्ते। मेरा नाम स्वप्ना है। बाय एजुकेशन मैंने मास्टर्स इन कंप्यूटर्स की है और बाय प्रोफेशन आई एम अ लाइफ कोच एंड संस्कृत ट्यूटर। I worked with the IT companies, one of the few top IT companies, for more than 16 years. I worked in different roles like project manager, portfolio managers. After working for 16 years, I decided to follow my passion and my love. So my passion for the language of Sanskrit made me complete my 3 years advanced diploma from Mumbai University. And since then, I've been teaching the kids to learn the Sanskrit language in the easy way. And to make it fun and easy to learn this language, I have a YouTube channel through which I teach the kids by way of stories and riddles. I also have a couple of courses on Udemy. Using that, you can learn the language very easily. And so now I am here to share my knowledge and my experience of teaching the Sanskrit language. And I really look forward to meeting you all. Namaste, Dhanyavada.
See you soon.